Hi, hello, welcome guys. In this video, we're gonna see how to create hidden field in Drupal. Okay, guys. If you didn't know how to install Drupal and set up local development server, your link in our description. You can check that page. You can get some more info how to install exam composer Drupal train in Windows 10. Okay, let's start how to create new hidden field. By default, you install after install Drupal, you didn't get any option to create hidden field. Okay, if you want to create hidden field means you can extend the feature using creating custom Drupal module. Okay, for that I am creating as a beginner level Drupal module. Using that you can create hidden field, guys. Okay, I give a folder link for that in description. You can click to download that file and add it to your project. After adding, install that project and you can get the field to create hidden field, guys. Let's do it. If you first step, you structure content types. Which content type you want to add hidden field means go inside. In that article, I choose article, go to manage fields. In that manage fields, I click add field. Inside that add field, you get this drop down box. You can, by default, there is no option on this line. After install our plugin, you can get this option to create hidden field. Click this, and label is important. Label, provide your label. This my label is hidden field. Okay, and save it. I fix it as limited. There is no need to assign more value for the hidden field. If you want means you can give unlimited, but my side I give limited. In this option I didn't do any changes on this because there is no feature assigned for our custom module. So I'll leave as it is and save and go forward. We successfully created our hidden field, guys. Did you see this? Hidden field, machine name, field type is hidden. Let's check it. Content, add content. In this article field, we create hidden field. Before one more thing, you have to add this. Before I said label is important. Copy the label and go to our project directory. Go to our custom module. Why the custom module? In this custom module, I give hook type. So I create a hook file. In this hook file, if you don't need to use any assign value for that particular hidden field, you can leave as it is. Delete this file, delete this particular file, or comment all those things and run it. You can get hidden field on your project. But for my side, I have to demo it for you. So I assign value for the hidden field. So I copy the hidden field name. In this article type, I assign the label value. Which one you targeting? Hidden field label. Okay, I target it and I assign value for the hidden field. Every time I create post on the hidden field article, it will be increment and decrement based on the previous data. Okay, let's do it. I changed before only I changed it. This is my hidden field label name. Let's do it. Go to create content, add content in article. It's pretty slow. Okay, this is our page. Before some time I get here the hidden field box is visible but input is hidden. Okay, but for now there is, you see, we create hidden field. That means it will be hidden for the visible page. It will be hidden here somewhere, but I can't see. I didn't get it. Okay, let's create. First of all, we create. Before I have to show if it is available or not. You can have question like that. So go to database. This is my database. I search node. In this node, you can get. You have to refresh it. Our hidden field name is. You have to remember. You have to remember what's your label name of the hidden field. My label name is hidden field is the label name. Okay, machine name field hidden field. It will be loading slow. Hey. I thought my condition node. Did you see here? Node field hidden field. Hidden field before previously assigned node field. I click this. By default, there is no value assigned it. Let's see assign value for the hidden field. Okay, if you create some post, it will be automatically assigned value for the hidden field. Let's save it and check it whether it is created or not. By default, for now, it is visible on public page also. Further things I can share you how to disable and unvisible tool. Did you see on that page that is not visible, but in public visible page it will be visible, but this is not a hidden field. So we made changes to make it as a hidden, but you can assume the hidden field is created and assign value for that. You can check whether it is possible or not. In database also, did you see the value is assigned 1 is assigned. Let's see how to make this is invisible, hidden field. Okay, go to structure, content types, article, manage from display, manage display. We have to change some settings on this two tab. Okay, click this, manage display. You can find your hidden field. This is a content, make it disable and save. Quick. You can see it is disabled, and manage display also we have to disable it. This is an edit page, this is a public page. Language content, hidden field is disabled and save it. Now we disable it. Content, go to content page, whether it is hidden or not. We created previously one post, we have to check it is hidden or visible. Go to this page, or else you can create new page and check it also. Here you didn't see that field, but it is here. The field is hidden. This is what I want to share with you guys. Okay, this is hidden, but before you can see I disabled two options, but we can manage it by making some code, extend the features of this module. We can avoid that settings also. In upcoming days, I try to update the plugin. If you interested, if you are a developer in Drupal, you can get the source code by click the link below in description. Download it and extend the feature and share your knowledge with our subscribers. If there is any questions for you, you can comment it. I can reply you. For now, this is one more thing. You can't create two more field on same page on this. You can create multiple field on separate pages and assign value for that. In upcoming days, I can give assign value extra like tokens and some other hidden values. You can assign, make the features on upcoming days. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Bye bye.